Iskra Lawrence, born September 11, 1990, is a British actress and model. She is famous for her work with lingerie like American Eagle Outfitters, Aerie, and Adore Me. She has also represented many renowned fashion brands and designers at international fashion shows like New York Fashion Week and Paris Fashion Week. She was born in the West Midlands, England, United Kingdom, in Wolverhampton. Her birth name is Iskra Arabella Lawrence. She has a mother from Northern Ireland and an English father. She attended Bromsgrove School. The girl was among the best pupils at school, but her aspirations were far from science. She was signed her first contract at the age of 13 years. The editors of ELLE magazine noticed the bright, gorgeous girl and offered her favorable cooperation. And she had already got luck and glory in her pocket, but after a while, the girl was horrified to discover that she began to put up weight. Lawrence attended the St. James School in Malvern and then the school in Bromsgrove. The UK National Youth Theatre has also attended. The new figure in the model did not seem adequate for gloss page members of the journal after the deal with the girl was cancelled. However, Iskra has built up an immense fan base to share her self-portraits on Instagram, with over 5 million followers. She had to advertise the swimsuits. She had handled this objective with dignity and soon she became a rightful model of the firm producing underwear and swimsuits for the girls of non-model sizes. Like all celebrities, she prefers to keep her private life secret from the curious eyes of her admirers and journalists. It is known only that she is married. Philip Payne is her husband. She is noticeable for her sweet smile. Her smile OMG really cute and hot at the same time. She looks like an angel from heaven. Iskra has not shown much about her family and early life, though he is a famous glamour individual in the country. Her father Doug Lawrence brought her up, whose occupation and other specifics are undisclosed. Information on her family members is unclear as well. Iskra was in the long term with Philip Payne and in January 2019 announced that she was a songwriter.